of exercise 6e. So we take LHS and to prove RHS, 4 times cos 66 plus sin 84. Now we can write this as, first of all, 4 times cos 66 degree. So this 184 can be written as 90, nearest to 90, am I right? So 90 degree minus 66, only 6 degree. 90 minus 6, 84, am I right? Now shall I write this as a 90 minus theta means which quadrant? 90 minus theta is nothing but first quadrant, and all are positive. This sign transform into the cos. So we use here allied angle formula, cos 60 degree plus the sign transform into cos, and this is a 6 degree. Is it clear? Sorry, here 66 degree. Now using formula, factorization formula, cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 times cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. Is it clear? Now this is the formula. You can apply here formula, 2 times means 2 into cos C plus D means 66 degree plus 6 degree divided by 2 into cos C minus D means 66 degree minus 6 degree divided by 2. Is it clear? Now this 2 into 2 you can write this as a 4. 4 into 2, 8. Cos 66 plus 6. Cos 66 plus 6 can be written as cos 72 divided by 2 into cos 66 minus 6, cos 60 divided by 2. Is it clear? Now next this cos 72 by 2 can be written as cos 36 degree into cos 60 minus 2 divided by 2 means cos 30 degree. So what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into cos 36 degree. Now this 2 ones are 2, this 4 root 3 into, we know that cos 36 degree we have proved in the previous examples, root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So this 4 cancel. What is remaining? Root 3 into root 5 plus 1. So root 5 into this root 3, root 5 into root 3 plus this root 3 into 1. So root 3, here root 5. Here root 15, 5 3 is 15 plus root 3. So this can be written as root 3 plus root 15. So this is the required RHS, hence proved. Is it clear? Cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree minus sin 5 degree into sin 25 degree is equals to root 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So we take LHS and to prove RHS. So you can use this defactorization formulas. 2 cos A into cos B is equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So first I want here 2. So you can multiply and divide it by 2. So what we get? 2 1 by 2 into 2 times cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree minus, here into 2 means 2 sin 5 degree into sin 25 degree. So what we get here? 1 by 2. Apply here A as a 20 and B as a 40. So what we get? Cos A plus B means 20 degree plus 40 degree plus cos A minus B means 20 degree minus 40 degree minus here cos A minus B, cos A minus B means 5 degree minus 25 degree into minus cos 5 degree plus 25 degree. So this is a one bracket. So 1 by 2 cos 60 degree plus cos minus 20 degree. So you can multiply this bracket as a minus sign. What we get here, minus cos minus 20 degree. So minus into minus plus cos 30 degree. 5 plus 25 as a 30 degree. Is it clear? So this cos minus 20 minus cos minus 20 cancel. What is remaining? 1 by 2 cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is a root 3 by 2. So this here base is same. So 1 by 2 into 2 1 plus root 3. Is it clear? Now this numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Root 2 into 2 4. 1 into this means 1 plus root 3. So this is a RHS. Now this exercise 6C, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. Exercise 6C, question number 6, prove that cos 48 degree into cos 12 degree is equals to 3 plus root 5 divided by 8. Now we are going to prove that this so we take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equals to cos 48 degree into cos 12 degree. Is nothing but, so we can multiply and divide by 2. So what we get? 1 by 2 into 2 times cos 48 into cos 12 degree. So we know that one formula, 2 cos A into cos B is equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this formula is called as defactorization. Okay. Now we can consider here A as a 48 degree and B as a 12 degree. So this 1 by 2 as it is. 1 by 2 as it is. So this nothing but cos 48 degree plus 12 degree into plus cos A minus B means 48 degree minus 12 degree. So this 1 by 2 as it is, cos 48 plus 12 cos 60 degree plus cos 36 degree. Am I right? So we know that the value of cos 60 is, what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2 plus this cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So this is the value of cos 36. So we take here LCM. I want to prove that 3 plus root 5 divided by 8. So 1 by 2 as it is. So multiply and divide by 2, we get 2. 2 plus root 5 plus 1 divided by this 2 2s are 4. 4 4 base same. So we can write like this. So what we get next step? 1 by 2 into this 2 plus 1 3 plus root 5 divided by 4. So what we get? Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. See, 1 into this root 3 plus 5 divided by 2 4s are 8. So this is a required RHS, hence proved. Okay. Prove that cos theta plus cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus cos 4 pi by 3 plus theta is equals to 0. So first of all, what is 2 pi by 3? Convert into degree, means 2 into this pi by 3 means 60 degree, means 120 degree. Again this, what is 4 pi? 4 pi means 2 pi 2 means 240 degree. Am I right? So first we take LHS. What is LHS? cos theta plus here cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus cos 4 pi by 3 plus theta. So we take cos theta plus cos A plus B formula. What is that? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we substitute that cos 2 pi by 3 into cos theta plus sin 2 pi by 3 into sin theta. So we can remember here plus is nothing but this is a minus. So this is the first expansion of this cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta. Next cos 4 pi by 3 plus theta. So what we get? Cos 4 pi by 3 into cos 4 pi by 3 into cos theta minus sin 4 pi by 3 into sin theta. So first of all we want here sin pi by 4 sin 2 pi by 3 cos 2 pi by 3 cos 4 pi by 3 sin 4 pi by 3. So to find first cos 2 pi by 3, I want the value of this. So is nothing but cos 120 degree. So 120 can be written as cos 90 minus, or we can write 180 minus, yes, 180 minus 60 degree. 180 minus 60 means transform, no transform. So which quadrant? Second quadrant. Cos is negative minus cos 60 degree is nothing but minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. And similarly you can find sin 2 pi by 3. So we get same sin 60 degree. So in second quadrant sin is positive, so therefore root 3 by 2. And cos 4 pi by 3 is equals to cos 240. 240 is nothing but cos 180 plus 60. Am I right? So which quadrant? Third quadrant. No transformation. Third quadrant is cos is positive, negative. So what we get? Minus cos 60 degree is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Similarly sin 4 pi by 3 is sin 240 means is nothing but direct what can I write here? In the third quadrant sin is negative, so minus sin 60 degree is equals to minus root 3 by 2. Is it clear? So we can all values we can substitute in this equation. What we get? This cos theta plus cos 2 pi by 3 value is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 here cos theta minus here sin 2 pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 sin theta plus here cos 4 pi by 3 minus 1 by 2 cos theta minus sin pi by 4 is 4 pi by 4 is 4 pi by 3 is minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. So we can evaluate this one. What we get here? Minus cos theta by 2. So here minus root 3 sin theta by 2. Here minus cos theta by 2 minus plus root 3 sin theta by 2. So this minus plus cancel. What we get? Cos theta minus cos theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2. So this minus cos theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2. So we can multiply on by 2, or we can calculate this half of 1 means cos theta minus 2 times cos theta by 2. So this 2 to cancel. Cos theta minus cos theta is equals to 0. This is a required RHS. Is it clear?